Hey there, my fellow veterans. This is the Vet Gazette with another video bringing you valuable information to keep you current with benefits and news. In today's video, I'm talking about the upcoming 2025 National Veterans Summer Sports Clinic and how you can get involved. Event details: dates, August 23rd to 30th, 2025. Location, San Diego, California. Registration period opens December 1st, 2024, closes March 1st, 2025. About the NVSSC. The NVSSC is a rehabilitative and educational hands-on sporting event designed for military veterans from across the country who have a range of disabilities. The clinic offers an opportunity to learn adaptive sports and recreational activities, promoting rehabilitation of both body and spirit. Participation is open to United States military service veterans living with spinal cord injuries, amputations, visual impairments, neurological conditions, post-traumatic stress disorder, traumatic brain injury or polytrauma, burns, and other eligible injuries incurred in the last 6 years. The clinic features a variety of adaptive sports, including sailing, surfing, cycling, both hand and tandem, adaptive fitness, kayaking, and even yoga and meditation. First, obtain the registration packet. You can download the 2025 NVSSC Veteran Registration Packet from the official website. Next, you'll need medical clearance. Have your primary care physician complete the General Medical or Physical Exam Form, which is VA Form 0928C. For veterans aged 40 and above, make sure to include a copy of an EKG strip taken within the last 6 months. Finally, submit your application. Use the registration link provided on the NVSSC website to submit the completed forms and required documents. Important considerations. Incoitzilsi. Ensure you are medically fit to participate in all events, as some activities can be quite vigorous. It's recommended to have at least 6 months of sobriety from drugs and controlled alcohol use to participate. If you need assistance with transfers, the weight limit is 250 pounds. For independent participants, it's 300 pounds. After the registration period closes on March 1st, 2025, the NVSSC medical staff will review all applications. You will be notified via email regarding your selection status approximately 45 days after the deadline. Please refrain from making any travel or lodging arrangements until you receive an official acceptance email. Each accepted veteran will be eligible to receive a sponsored round-trip flight to and from San Diego through a generous donation from the Fisher House Foundation's Hero Miles program. For more detailed information, including the registration packet and contact details, visit the official NVSSC website. If you found this information valuable, help us spread the word, like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is the Vet Gazette, keeping you informed and empowered. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and I'll see you in the next video.